What is up and welcome back. If you are new to this channel, I'm Cody Pratt, aka Random Hero. So there is a huge difference between this and this. One has huge benefits and the other is simply used as a barrier. And today we're going to talk about the differences and when you would use each of them. And we're starting right now. Okay, so I bring this up because I've been asked way too many times if they can just substitute Saran wrap for Saniderm or Tegaderm or second skin, whatever you want to call it. So this is Saran wrap. It's just a thin piece of plastic on a roll, and you might have used it to cover food in the past. Well, tattoo artists use this too. So normally when your tattoo is done, we'll slap some ointment on it and wrap it in plastic wrap. And the reason we do this is for it to serve as a barrier to protect your brand new tattoo as you walk out of the shop and go home. But another time you would use this is if you are wet healing. And you use it during wet healing to form a barrier on your tattoo after you have applied your thin layer of ointment or lotion. But besides wet healing, after you get home and take the plastic wrap off, you should never put plastic wrap back onto your tattoo, not even to protect it. You see, Saran wrap is not breathable and it is not a medical bandage. In the tattoo world, it is simply used to be a barrier. But now this is Saniderm. Saniderm is a medical bandage, and it is just like the stuff nurses use to put over IVs after they stick you. Except this bandage was created by Saniderm for the tattooing community. Now, I do already have a few videos about Saniderm. I'll link one or two up here so you can go look at those if you want to know more about Saniderm. But if your tattoo artist doesn't use it, that's fine. You can apply it when you get home. Simply wash your tattoo with warm water and soap, pat dry with a paper towel, and then let it air dry for a few minutes. Once it's dry, size up your Saniderm and apply. You can then leave that one on for a few days and you should be good. Now, Saniderm is breathable and it's designed to heal your tattoo while forming a safe barrier. And then after you take it off, just proceed to wash and moisturize your tattoo daily, just like you normally would. Both items do have their place in the tattooing world, but they are not interchangeable. And I always recommend ditching this for this. And if you want to pick some up, I have a link in the description below and also a discount code that you can use. Let me know in the comments below how you use Saniderm and plastic wrap in your aftercare routine. Don't forget to like this video by smashing that thumbs up button. And as always, you can support this channel by clicking that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications when we come out with new tattoo advice and tattoo education videos. Once again, I'm Cody. Thanks for stopping by and we will see you in the next video.